Good day, ma'am. I chose the jaw injury procedures. I have a towel here, and I'm gonna fold it first. And then here in the towel, I'm gonna apply now. Oh, from the jaw, from the head, and cross around the head, and to secure it. The existing of the towel was to make hide it in the another side to make not loosen it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.